Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
The roots are still growing strong. We carry the fire on, the crown upon your head. From trench down streets to every stage you've said gone too soon, but your fire still burns. You turned the whole world into one big reggae turn. People danced on the moon, joy in every land. Your songs were the blueprint, love was your plan. The cool ruler in command, silky voice that touched every heart in the land. When night nurse played Lover's Rune here, many children were born from the songs we hear. Oh, we give thanks for the roots still growing. Oh, yeah. From the elders' hands, the music flowing. Oh, every beat, every song, the foundation strong. We carry it on, we carry it on. Oh, oh. A rebel with a righteous plan, singing legalize it to free every man. I wish you were here to see today, when we can light it up in the open way. The prince with the golden crown tried to calm the wars, but they still went down. Still your voice could heal the street, every melody warm, every lyric complete. John Holt, not a carpenter by trade, but you build love songs that will never fade. From police in helicopter to gentle serenades, your music's the shelter that time never fades. For the roots still growing strong. From the elders' hands, the music flowing along. Every beat, every song, the foundation strong, strong, strong. We carry it on, we carry it on, yeah. Toots Hibbert with the soul and the drive, burning spear kept the fire alive. Alton Ellis sang Lock Steady Low, Master Griffith's voice from the heavens above. Jimmy Cliff sang Many Rivers to Cross, but the music never suffered loss. Culture brought down Babylon's gates. Black Uhuru set the high standard straight. Jacob Miller, cool breeze in the sun, no drama around, you just wanted fun. Peace, a song and a quiet place, with a smile of joy on your gentle face. We sing for the ones whose work was pure, their words were blessings, their legacy sure. From Scott to Roots to Lovers Rock tunes, they still make the flowers of reggae bloom. Oh, we give thanks for the roots still growing. Ooh. From the elders' hands, the music flowing. Oh, every beat, every song, the foundation strong. We carry it on, we carry it on. Oh. Legends never die, their rhythm lives forever. We honor the foundation, we carry it on.
Hey family, a huge thank you to all my incredible subscribers. You are the reason this channel is alive and kicking. Let's take it to the next level. Share the link, tell a friend, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers together. Because when we get there, the music won't just keep coming. It's going to get bigger, better, and even more exclusive, right here and nowhere else. So keep showing love, keep that energy high, and let's make history together.